Welcome back for another Agix price prediction analysis video, and on this video I will be focusing on the short term and also the long term price action to expect for the next coming hours here on the Agix chart. And at the time of this recording, you can easily see that we have continued to see higher prices in a price action that has now given us an all-time high above the 1.4661. And in this video, basing my analysis on the Elliot structures, I will give you my next target areas, and starting the video here on the daily chart by first giving you a recap of what has been happening. You can see that Agix back in 2020 gave us these significant lows, so much of a consolidation, then a breakout to the upside, giving us a high above the 0.67, completing the formation of this Elliott wave count 1 to the upper side. And after seeing the formation of that first wave, we started a breakdown move in the formation of a larger Elliott wave count 2 into the minimum target areas for the second wave, highlighted on the charts using this blue target area, which is an area that we fully maximized. Then we started another aggressive move to the upside in the formation of a larger Elliott wave count 3, which is the move that I still believe is what we are seeing at the moment, whose minimum target areas I gave you in my previous videos by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area for the third wave at the fib level 1.618, and that is above the 1.69 is the minimum target area. And this is an area that we have now fully maximized, and you can see that after fully maximizing that target area, Agix has continued to see higher prices, giving us a high above the 1.46661, and there are high chances that in the next coming hours, in case we continue seeing this bullish momentum push the price even higher, and we see a break back above the 1.4661, then I will be expecting higher prices, having my next target area for that breakout move at the next key area on the Fibonacci's, which is the fib level 2.618, and that perfectly lies above the 1.79598, which will be my next target area for that breakout move to the upper side. We also need to have in mind that since we have fully maximized our minimum target area over here, giving us an all-time high, there are also chances that we now have a high in place in the formation of this Elliott wave count 3. And if that is the case, then in the next coming hours, in case we see much of a breakdown move or maybe a pullback, then that will be a pullback in the formation of this wave 4. And once we have a low in place in the formation of this wave 4, we can continue seeing higher prices in the formation of that wave 5. And the minimum target areas for the fourth wave can be given using the Fibonacci's, connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the second wave to the high of that wave 3, giving me a minimum pullback target area between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.5, and that perfectly lies between the 0.96488 and the 0.8089, and this is the area that I have highlighted here on the chart, and this is the area within which we can expect to see a pullback into, get a low in place, see much of a consolidation before we can see another breakout to the upside, giving us a high in the formation of this wave 5. So that is what I'm expecting here on the Agix chart for the next coming hours. And I'll say to you that a break back above the 1.466 will be bullish, having the 1.79 as my next target area to the upper side. But in case we continue seeing a bit of a pullback in the next coming hours, then chances are we are seeing a bit of a breakdown move in the formation of this wave 4. And once we have a low in place in this wave 4, then we can continue gearing up in the formation of that wave 5 to the upper side. So that's all for this video, and I hope that video was of much help to you, and I hope to catch you on the next one.